let's do this 2021 question from scholarship exam. It says, given function of x squared plus 1 to the power of sine x, find the exact value of f dash x for pi x value pi over 2, and there is a hint given to us. Great, so let's start with first writing the question. X squared plus 1 sine x. Now again, to get rid of the power here, we can do ln on both sides. So ln f of x is equals to ln of x squared plus 1 sine x. We know that with the log, the power is multiplied. So it becomes sine x ln x squared plus 1. ln of, now we will use the hint that is given to us. Hint says differentiation of ln x gives us that, right? We have done that in our differentiation learning as well. So if we differentiate both sides, ln of fx is equals to differentiation here. Now here we will have to use product rule because there are two things multiplied there with the x variable. So now first same, differentiation of second is ln. So that will be 1 over x squared plus 1, and using chain rule we will have 2x here multiplied as well, plus the second same, which is ln x squared plus 1, and differentiation of sine gives us cos x. All right. Now, again, in the hint, they have given that d over dx of ln x plus 1 is f dash x. So this becomes f dash x over fx is equals to, if we simplify that a little bit, we can't take anything common there, but we just can simplify. So that's going to be 2x times sine x over x squared plus 1 plus ln x squared plus 1 times cos x. Cool. Now we need to find, so the question is to find that and find the value when x is equals to pi over 2, right? So first let's see, f dash x is equals to, fx will be multiplied with the whole thing, and fx, we know from the question that fx is equals to x squared plus 1 sine x. So we have x squared plus 1 to the power of sine x, bracket the whole thing that's already there, 2x times sine x over x squared plus 1 plus ln x squared plus 1 times cos x. All right, so that is our fx now. Now let's substitute x as pi over 2. So we will be left with f dash pi over 2 is equals to pi over 2 square plus 1 to the power of sine pi over 2, 2 times pi over 2 times sine pi over 2, pi over 2 square plus 1 plus ln pi over 2 square plus 1 and cos pi over 2. Great. So now pi over 2 square plus 1 is going to be pi square over 4 plus 1. Sine pi over 2, sine 90 degree is 1. We know that. Bracket 2 and 2 cancel, will give me pi. Again, sine pi over 2 is 1. So that leaves me with 1. So times 1, or even if you don't write times 1, that's fine. Over pi square over 4 plus 1. I'll put that in bracket, plus ln. Here is going to give us pi squared plus 1, but it's multiplied with cos pi over 2, and cos 90 degree is 0. So that whole thing will become 0 when we multiply it by 0. So we can get rid of that. Or just for the case of explanation, I'll write 0 there. Okay, now let's simplify a little bit more. So we have pi square over 4 plus 1 is going to give me pi square plus 4 over 4. Now pi over, this is again going to become pi square plus 4 over 4 plus 0, we don't know. This is multiplied. This is over 1, right? So now here, this whole thing can cancel this whole thing, right? Because it's numerator over denominator, and that gives me the answer pi. Cool. That was a good question. Hope it makes sense. Have a wonderful day.